Time for a Japanese bar food classic. To begin, I'm going straight for those thighs. Remove the fat from both sides using shallow, light cuts. Then cut into 1-inch pieces. Always staying sanitary, of course. Now I'm going to lyonnaise cut this onion. It's basically just a thick julienne. Taking a quarter of a green cabbage, I'm going to cut out the core and then cut into a similar 1-inch dice that we did with our chicken thighs. Peel your carrot with your knife because Amazon hasn't delivered your peeler yet, and then julienne them. Shiitake are great, but the stems gotta go. Thumbs up here to not cut yourself. Slice thinly. Fill up a saucepan with water. Get it hot. Jumbo udon. Add to the hot water that is not boiling because they're already cooked and we just need to persuade them with our chopsticks until they learn to loosen up a bit. Look how easy that was. Why can't everyone just, forget it? Drain and rinse with cold water to stop cooking. Our sauce is simple, just store-bought Tonkatsu sauce. It's gonna be great, and you're gonna make it because it's a shorter list, right? Get our mise en place ready. Here's our battle station. Wok's nice and hot, oil in. We're gonna start by searing our chicken thighs. Season one side with black pepper. Flip and sear the other side. Clean your wok because some of the chicken's stuck because you overcrowded the pan. Our second round of stir frying starts with our onions, which we're just going to get a slight color on. Add the mushrooms and carrots. Stir fry for roughly 30 seconds. Add your cabbage. Again, just trying to cook the raw edge off of this because we really want the crunch here. Add the chicken back in. Once you're confident that's cooked through, we're going to add our udon back and then douse this in our tonkatsu sauce. And this was kind of where I let go of your hand. Use as much sauce or as little sauce as you want. Stop when it looks glossy enough for you and keep it moving just so the sugars don't burn. I added Togarashi here because I like heat. And look at that. Black sesame seeds, which you should know that I'm obsessed with if you follow me on Instagram, which you should if you aren't. Come on. You know the drill. Do your damn dishes. And while you're here, hit that like button, subscribe, comment if you feel like it, I guess. Anyway, see you next time.